Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to reset your macros in MyFitnessPal. Basically guys, if you are using your phones, go ahead. If you are using for example iOS, download MyFitnessPal through App Store, or else if you are using the Android version, you can go ahead and download it through Google Play. Now for us, users of PC, we go ahead and open any kind of browsers and then go to the URL section and search for MyFitnessPal. So here it is, MyFitnessPal. Now, as you can see, that's the page. So they will first of all you need to create an account. It is a really quick thing. You have to just put your email, password, like some name, for example, date of birth, and then some information about your body, like weight, height, how much you currently weigh, and what is your goal, and if you are active or not. Now, how you can actually reset the macros? Basically, what we need to do is go ahead to this home page and then go ahead and click on goals. Now, as you can see here, there is this whole big page which has daily nutrition goals, micronutrients, calories by meal, and fitness. Now, what we're gonna do is click on edit on this daily nutrition goals, and this page will be opened. So, daily nutrition goals, here we will find the calories, and here we will find our macronutrients. So basically, if you want to change anything in the macronutrients, you can just go over here, make it for example 40, here 50, I don't know, you can do the job and the calculate on itself. So I don't know, here for example 45, 40 I guess, 40, change it on whatever thing that you might feel comfortable with, and then after that just go ahead and click save changes. Of course you will have more details or more access to more features if you got the premium version or MyFitnessPal. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching. Bye bye.